Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make $2,000 to $5,000 every month by just designing phone case online. So all you need to do is to go to this secret website I'm going to be showing you guys in this video, right? Go there and design a phone case, and the website is going to be helping you to print out this particular product and deliver it to your customer, right? So, and once they print out the product and deliver to your buyer, you get a commission. You don't need to do one big job. All you need to do is just to design, and to design this product doesn't take time. If you're really hardworking, you can actually design up to 100 products in a day. You are going to be seeing how I'm going to be doing this right away, and you see that it's very simple. It's not hard. All you just need to do is to know the best selling products. Go and look for the best selling products you need to design. But in this particular video, what we're going to be designing is phone case, because phone case is actually one of the best selling products on the internet space, right? And like this, iPhone 15 is just out and people are actually rushing the phone. You can actually make a phone case for iPhone 15, and you see the way you are going to be selling out, right? So all you need to do is to make a design on this website, then connect your product to stores, right? On this website, you're going to be connecting your product to stores like Shopify, ST, and many other. But in this particular video, what I want us to focus on is TikTok Shop, right? TikTok Shop is currently one of the biggest online store right now, and people are actually making sales in this particular platform, right? All you need to do is to create an account on TikTok Shop and connect your product there. Before you do that, you actually need to make a video with your product and publish on the platform. And once you publish this on the platform, once people get to see your product, they will just need to click on it, and it will take them to this website. And the website is going to be printing out the product and delivering it to them. And once the product is delivered to them, you're going to be getting your commission. And there are also many ways you can actually sell this particular product we are going to be designing today, right? Before the end of the video, I'm going to be telling you guys other ways you can actually sell this product, right? But firstly, make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end for you to be able to catch up with everything I'm going to be stating in this video, because it's very important that you watch it from beginning to the end, right? So the next thing I'm going to be doing right now is that I'm going to be taking you guys to the other side of the screen, where I'll be showing you step by step on how to design this product, and also how you can actually connect this product to TikTok Shop and other platform where you can actually connect your products, right? So I would like to see you guys on the other side of the screen. Thank you. So guys, the platform we are talking about right here that we're going to be doing the design is called Printify, right here, as you can see right here. So in Printify, what you do actually is to come to this platform, then design something, right? Then find people that will buy it. Then what Printify does is that they will help you print the thing out, then help you do the delivery. So your work here basically is just to design a product. So once you design the product, you got to publish it on this platform, then find a buyer that will buy it by creating a link, pushing your link through social media platforms, or you can also link your product to some uh, platforms where people actually make sales like ST and many of them. But the basic one I'm going to be talking about in this particular video is TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop has been one of the greatest platform where people make sales right now in the internet space. So, and you don't need to be left out in this. So guys, let's proceed. So, what we want to design today is a phone cover, right? So what we need to do is to come to this catalog right here. You understand? So click on catalog, then you now go to brand. Once you come to brand, then you come to this search right away, then you can search phone case, right? So as you can see right here, you can see one of the best selling phone case, right? So this is the one I would advise you to actually work on, right? So as you can see right here, bestseller. You just need to click on it. So once you click on it, you see that it will bring different pattern, right? So what you need to do next is to come right here. You see start designing, then click on start designing, right? So once you click on start designing, then here is where the AI will be coming in, right? Because we are going to be using AI to do our design, right? What we're going to be doing is that we're going to be clicking on this AI image generator. Then once you click on it will take you to this place. And what you're going to be doing is that here is where you're going to be describing what you want AI to generate for you, right? So I already have a prompt that I kept aside for this particular video, right? So what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be looking for the prompt, right? So I think it's in my Google Doc right here. So what I need to do is to copy the prompt, then come and paste it right there and generate. You don't need to worry. I'm going to be dropping this prompt and the description for you guys to actually use it for free. Like, so I've pasted the prompt. So what I need to do is to come right here and click on generate image, and you can see the magic that's going to be happening right here. Okay, you can see the wonderful images the AI generated for us, right? So in case if you want to find out how I actually got this particular prompt, is that I went to ChatGPT to ask ChatGPT like which designs actually sells the most, So I needed top 10 most selling phone case designs, right? According to the result ChatGPT gives me, like it has this particular prompt right there, the aesthetic earth tone watercolor minimalistic, right? So I had just to copy two of them to come and use it for you guys, right? You can on your own actually use the search again on ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT which design sells better in any product you want to design. So guys, we are going to be going ahead. So I think I'm going to be selecting this particular one. This particular one is amazing. So once you select it, it will bring it to this place where you can now arrange it well. So what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be actually drawing this particular image so that it will cover the phone case, right? So I'm going to be expanding it. You see what I'm doing, right? So here is it. I've expanded it throughout the phone cover. So right here by your side, you can see phone models, right? This is where you select the phones you want your design to be on, right? So guys, all you need to do is just to select. This is iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro Max, right? So this is iPhone 14. You don't need to select as much as you can because the more phone you select, right, is the more easily you can actually make sales because you don't need to actually depend on only iPhone, this thing, iPhone 15. Because right now, not be everybody don't buy iPhone 15, right? So that's the reason why I need to select more recent phones that that people actually use well. See what you selected right here. So that's just it. Then the next thing you're going to be doing is either you change your background, right? But I don't think it's necessary for you to change the background. The background is okay the way it is, right? The white background is okay. So you don't need to change the background, right? So the next thing to do again is to save. Come right here and click on save. So guys, here is the work we just did right now. As you can see right here, this is the design we just made, right? You can see them, with different phones, right? So I think there is a way for me to zoom it so that you can see it well. Yeah, let me find out a way to zoom it so that you can actually see it well. So here is it. Here is the design, right? You can see the design very well, right? And so that's what we just did right now. So that's it, guys. So you can, if you want to zoom another one again, you just need to zoom it that way, right? So that's it, guys. So guys, this is what we just did right away. You can see it very clearly, right? So this is what we did, and you see it's very, very beautiful, and people can easily buy this if they see it. So after we have, finished our designing, so the only thing you just need is to come and put your title. Understand? The title is phone, top phone case, right? You can just add it like for iPhones, for iPhones 2023 or something. Of you can leave it for for iPhone just that way. Then right here in the description, you can actually design your description. But due to because we are using the bestseller, they have their own description right here already. So, but I will advise you to actually put a description right here. And if you don't know how you can actually get a description, you can go to ChatGPT because AI has made everything easy for us. Go to ChatGPT, then ask ChatGPT to generate for you the best description for uh, case, right? And he will do that thing for you instantly, right? And you just need to come and paste it right here. So after everything, you just need to check and select all, you know, select all right here. Make sure that you did everything the right way, you know. So the next thing you're gonna be doing, here you need to here is your money, you know. So retail price, this is the price, retail price right here, and this is your profit, right? $9. So each time they sell any of the products, you're gonna be getting $9, right? All you need to do is now to connect your store. Right here, they said, oops, you haven't created any store. Please connect to store first to get published. So you just need to come here and click on connect to store, right? So once you click on connect to store, this is my profile on Printify is a new profile that I use in teaching. You can see I've made I think 2 videos on Printify already. So what you need to do is just to come here and click on connect. Then you will now see you see Shopify, you see TikTok, which is the what we actually discussing basically in this video. You can see other stores where you can actually connect your product on. Once you get your product connected on this platform, it will be easy for you to make sales, right? So once you click on TikTok, you will see they will ask you, do you want to create a new store, right? If you want to create a new store, you just need to um, type in your store name right here and click on connect. Or I want to use an existing Prettify store, which is this particular one right here. This is my existing store, right? So what I'm going to be doing is that after I've added this, then I just need to click on this connect right here. And once you connect, they will ask you, do you have a TikTok shop account? You just say, tap on it, then tap this one again, then come and connect, right? So it's gonna be taking you to where you're gonna be signing up into your TikTok shop. So what you need to do is just to select United States, right? If you're in the United States, but if you're not in the United States, you can actually use this thing VPN to bypass, right? So if you use a VPN to bypass, then it will actually take you to where you're gonna be signing up your TikTok shop this thing. See, as you can see right here. So here is where you can actually put your email, right? Once you put your phone number right here, then click on send code. They will send you a code to your phone number. Then you just need to confirm, and also you're gonna be doing the same to email as well. So just the same thing, then you just get your account signed up. And there is another way you can actually sell this phone pouch, right? That I'm gonna be discussing on the other side of the screen, So there are other ways where you can actually do that. So this is where I'm gonna be ending this particular screen. I'll see you guys on the other side of the screen. Welcome back, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. I know you learned something from the video. If you're in Africa, you don't need to worry, right? I know you might be thinking how you're going to be creating this account on TikTok shop, right? So you don't need to worry. All you need to do is to look for someone in the United States that can actually help you to get a number. So once you have a US number, it will be better for you so that you can actually use it to sign up, right? But if you don't have somebody in the US that can help you to create this account, it's very, very simple. All you need to do is to go to several platforms where you can actually get US number, then get a number and sign up for this. But the only challenge you might be having is that some of these websites, their numbers do expire, right? So when the number expires, it might affect your business. But you can actually make a research to find out where you can get a number that can be permanently yours, right? And if you want me to make a video on how to create an account on a TikTok shop, I can actually do that for you guys. All you need to do is to notify me in the comment section. You can actually say, Growbeta, do this, and I'll do it for you guys because you all are my family. In the beginning of the video, I promised you guys that I'm going to be telling you guys another ways you can actually sell this product, and that's what I want to share with you guys, right? So you can actually sell this product using a sponsored ad on social media, right? You can create an Instagram account, then upload your video talking about the product, then you can actually run ad. When running the ad, put the product link so that once people get to see your ad, they will click on that link, and when they click the link, it take them to Printfy, and they can actually make their order in Printfy, and Printfy is going to be printing the thing out and be delivering it to them. Once they get their product, then you will get your own commission, right? Another way you can actually do that is by putting this link in your description on YouTube. If you're a YouTuber, you can actually make a video on that particular product, and you direct people to actually click on those links, and once they click the link and it take them to Printify, they can actually make order there. Then Printify is going to be printing it out and be delivering it to them, and you make your commission, right? And also you can also go on TikTok and make a video concerning the product, and once people get interest on the product, you can actually send the link directly to them and tell them to buy the products with the link. Once they click on the link, it will take them to Printify, and they're going to be making their order, and you get your commission. So there are several ways you can actually sell this product. Don't just depend on TikTok shop. If you have other ways you want to sell this product, you can actually try them out, and it might work for you. And if it work for you, you can actually reach out to me and tell me so that I can try it too as well. So thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate you for watching this video from beginning to here. You guys are amazing. The kind of love you guys show me is very, very amazing. I've been out for like 2 weeks, and I'm back for you guys again. I'm going to be uploading videos every day like we used to do it right here. So that's the reason why you need to subscribe to this channel if you're new on this channel, because in this channel we have a lot of things to learn. We teach people how to grow their social media platform, and also how to make money online. It's very, very important that you subscribe to this channel for you to be getting these amazing videos. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that anytime I post video, you'll be among the first people that will get the notification. And if you found this video very interesting, I would like you to share this video so that other people can actually watch and learn as well. Thank you guys for watching, and remain blessed.